Okay, so currently we have one of the best, matter of fact, the #1 agent for Pam Golden Realty assisting us. She's #1 in the whole entire country. And yeah, so we got all this going on out here. So you got the pool, you got a full deck, you got a place where you can, you know, entertain. Of course, if you don't want them going through your house, you can just have them coming through there, which is cool. And then I'm gonna show you the house from the backside. But yeah, this is nice. Of course, you'll have a gardener that's taking care of these things for you, so that's not your concern. And then as we're following Tasha, she's doing her thing. And then come over here, and you have an area where you can bring food. There's a wet bar out here as well. You can start a fire. You can actually cook your food if you want to, or you can sit here, have a conversation. A lot of people do that. And then here's another view of the house from the outside. And then this house sits off the golf course. So here we are. This is what you're gonna see. And of course, those are your neighbors over there, which is pretty cool. And then here's another view of the house. And then next door is that. And then here's your other neighbor. But you have a lot of green space. You know, if you're looking for permission of somebody to tell you that it's okay, good luck. Nobody's gonna tell you that, and you guys already know it. You know you're set. And yeah. So come on a trip, even if it's a 6-day, 10-day, 12-day, 13-day trip to South Africa with the Real South Africa. You do have a 1-day option to add property. And a lot of these properties that people are seeing, and we're doing it all in one particular day. So you can add that on to any of your packages that are coming to Johannesburg, and we can sort that out for you. So hope you guys are enjoying yourself. And all I can say is I hope I see you guys here in sunny South Africa. All right, guys, I forgot to show you the rest of the house. I was so excited. So here goes, okay. This is a bathroom. This isn't the main, I don't think. Then you can walk out and you can see the neighborhood.